Welcome to the QuickStart series, where we show you how to set up and configure your VOLO access control system. In this video, we will be looking at editing site event settings in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Select the customer the site belongs to. Navigate to the Site's menu option in the top bar. Find the site. You can use the search option in the top right corner. Then, click on the location icon next to the site name. Click Event Settings in the left-hand side menu, then click Edit. Here, you can choose to use customer level settings by default, or change them to site-specific settings. You can enable or disable certain event types, and this is where you can set their priorities too. Press Save and Close, and then click OK to close the window. That's it! Your site event settings are now updated. If you need any further information, you can visit our wiki. Please find the link in the description, or contact CIE. Thank you for choosing VOLO.